Hi killers, and welcome to Body Lock Sweep from Half Guard tutorial. I'll be brief and straight to the point as always. So make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss a thing. Let's start with first important detail. Always keep your head on his neck, jawline. To be able to unbalance him whenever you want. Keep your frame on your elbow, so you can carry all his weight effortlessly. Put your left heel behind his knee, shift your hips back, and put your foot on his knee to get up easily and still fully control your opponent. As you can see here, I'm pinching his knee between my feet to prevent him from lifting his leg from the ground. Now I can release my left leg and push from his knee to get up and get in front of him. It's very important to get my knee in front of his knee. In this case, I have much more control and leverage to dominate from this position. Now I just connect my arms, lift him up and pull him in front of me simultaneously to finish the sweep and get very strong top side control. Let's look at the same sequence from another angle. I have my underhook tight waist control. I push him with my left knee to release my lower leg. Then I push his ankle towards my outside leg to get my leg behind his knee. I pull my heel back to get tight control. Now I can place my foot on his knee to start getting up. Remember to constantly pull his waist to maintain control. Release his knee from behind and push with your front leg. Put your knee in front of his knee. Connect your hands together like so. Lift him up and pull him forward to lay him down in front of you. I hope these details will help to elevate your game. Please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.